prior to this recession, because we get our GDP data on the 28th. That is when the Fed, the government people basically tell us if we are statistically in a recession. I'm assuming they're going to say we're in a recession. And I would like to ask, how should people prepare themselves financially, such as their credit cards, if it's car payments or student loans? What should they do to prepare themselves in case we have to go through a recession that lasts on average 18 months?
I would say the first advice I would give is scale back. You can't do what you was doing 2 years ago as far as eating out. If you got accustomed to eating out, you may have to start cooking at home. You may be used to eating ribeyes twice a week or shrimp twice a week. You may have to fry some chicken. I'm just being real. Or bake some pork chops or something. I would say scale back. That's number one. Stop buying stuff that you don't need. Now, like Lando said, we don't know how long it's going to last. Let's just say 18 months, but start buying things that you don't need. Forget about buying stuff you want. Buy necessities. Now, when you buy your necessities, if you have a little money left over, I would start putting that somewhere. I don't care if it's under your mattress. I don't care if it's you buy some crypto, but never invest a dollar you can't afford to lose. So I would put some money up. If you find yourself in a financial situation that is not good, not answering your phone when you know it's American Express or Capital One calling you is not going to help the situation. These companies right now would rather have a little bit of something than all of nothing. What I mean by that, they'd rather get a little bit of money from you than they're absolutely not getting nothing. Call them, let them know what's going on. It's not like they are not aware of the recession. Hey, I can't pay the minimum $25 payment. Can I send you $10? And they still may go on your credit, but at least they won't close your credit card down. But so you want to scale back, forget all these wants, think about needs. It's not 18 months is not that long of a time. And then protect your credit that you do have. Call the credit. Don't call them beforehand and say, hey, y'all, I think I'm going to be broke by December. So I'm just letting y'all go now. Don't do that because you might not be broke. But if you see yourself, oh man, I used to pay 50 and it was only 25 minimum due. Then you see you can only pay 30. Next thing you know, you can only pay 15. Then you can't pay nothing. Once you get to that minimum due and you see yourself in a situation, just say, hey, yo, Americans don't, well, I will, but just, yo, American Express, look, Barbara, Susan, whoever I got on the phone, I foresee I'm not going to be able to pay this. Is there anything we can work out? Even if you go to websites right there saying, hey, are you having problems? We are willing to work with you. They're saying that on their website. I have a jewelry card with Hillsburg and Zales. This was on their website. And this was before the recession. So, man, just be true to yourself. And I'm a firm believer, whether you're married or you're single or you're in a domestic relationship, nobody really cares more about you and your spouse or you and your partner or you by yourself than you. If you don't take care of yourself, you can't expect nobody else to look out for